Pandas unique values multiple columns. What is the best way to return the unique values of a col1 and a col2? The desired output is
I have set up a data frame with a few simple strings in its columns. You can concatenate the columns you are interested in and call unique function.
Or pd.unique returns the unique values from an input array or dataframe column or index. The input to this function needs to be one-dimensional, so multiple columns will need to be combined. The simplest way is to select the columns you want and then view the values in a flattened NumPy array. The whole operation looks like this. Note that ravel is an array method that returns a view, if possible, of a multidimensional array. The argument k tells the method to flatten the array in the order the elements are stored in the memory. Pandas typically stores underlying arrays in Fortran contiguous order, columns before rows. This can be significantly faster than using the method's default C order. An alternative way is to select the columns and pass them to np.unique. There is no need to use ravel here as the method handles multidimensional arrays. Even so, this is likely to be slower than pd.unique as it uses a sort-based algorithm rather than a hash table to identify unique values. The difference in speed is significant for larger data frames, especially if there are only a handful of unique values.
An updated solution using NumPy v1.13 Plus requires specifying the access in np.unique if using multiple columns, otherwise the array is implicitly flattened. This change was introduced November 2016. This URL